The onion rings are ready. Now I'm gonna taste it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim and today I'm going to show you how you can make onion rings at home. Ingredients are 2 onions, less than a cup of milk, a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, baking powder and red chili. There is also breadcrumbs and 1 egg. Firstly, I'm going to slice the onions. Now you see how I sliced the onions. Not so big or not so small. And now I took a pan like this. You can take a plate or a cup. Put the flour in this pan. Then I will add baking powder, salt and red chili. And now I'm going to mix it. And now I will separate the onions. Then I will put the onions in the pan. And I will take them to the plate. And now I'm gonna add milk, also egg, in this flour. And I will mix it. Now I have onions, breadcrumbs and a homogeneous mixture. And I will take a pan. I will put oil in this. And also pan is ready to fry the onions. Now I'm taking the onions, dip in the mixture, and I am putting it in the breadcrumbs. Then I am adding to the pan. Onions look nice. Now they are ready. The onion rings are ready. Now I'm gonna taste it.